Have you ever spent way too long tweaking a simple wiggle? You set the frequency, the amplitude, then you need a slightly different setup on another layer. And suddenly your timeline's full of duplicated expressions, scattered sliders, and chaos. Introducing wiggle.lab. It's a smarter, faster way to wiggle. With one click, wiggle.lab applies a fully featured universal wiggle system. It works on any property with expressions, even effects. And everything's controlled from a single layer. You get frequency and amplitude sliders for core motion, loop duration for seamless cyclical motion, posterise time for stop motion or stylized frame jumps, smoothness for polished easing, stagger offset so each layer animates in sequence, and a unique seed so nothing feels the same twice. One effect, one controller, total control. Working with one layer? That becomes your controller. Working with several, wiggle.lab creates a dedicated controller and links everything for you. No manual setup, no copy-pasting, no clutter, just select, click and done. Need to remove it? Hold Shift and click on the wiggle.lab button. And wiggle.lab clears every expression and removes the controller. Easy as that. And it also has a K-bar version, so yeah, one button, one controller, no friction. Download wiggle.lab today. And finally, make wiggle work the way it should.